Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to log out of Clubhouse. First, let's go into the app. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your profile photo in the top right hand corner. From there, you'll tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see the option to log out. You will simply press on that and you will be logged out of your Clubhouse app. Again, let me show you. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your profile photo in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog in the same top right hand corner. And at the bottom of your screen, you will see log out. Simply press on it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.